Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, wow, what can I say? I'm going to say this and I must listen closely to me now. These sneakers here we're talking about today, 10 out of 10. And I'm saying it now, sneaker of the year. I'm calling it already. If it's not, it's going to be in your top 10. Believe it or not, the top 3. Not even going to say it anymore. Let's talk about the Jordan 3 Reimagined, aka White Cement. Let's jump right into this. Alright guys, so here he is, man. We are back with another sneaker video, and yes, we do have us the Jordan 3 Reimagined here right now. I actually had it for a couple weeks, well maybe I think a week or two, I don't know exactly. But they do drop this weekend, March the 11th, and I must say these here, wow, for me, I'm excited to have them already. This is something that's really was looking forward to, and I know a lot of people that's looking forward to this actual Jordan 3 right here, and I must say it's here. It's here. Hopefully you guys can hit. If you don't, definitely try to jump on as fast as possible. I'm telling you, I believe the resale on it is going to be probably ridiculous, because these here are very popular and very wanted. Alright, so let's just jump right into this Jordan 3 box. As you can see, we went with the actual, like, you know, I remember the Lost and Founds. It goes with the Lost and Founds. This nice distorted looking box. As you can see here, we got the red Jumpman in the middle, but as you can see again, it's very distorted. As you can see again, just throughout this whole box, we got this little distorted looking box right here, and I do again like the way we're going with this. Now here he is, man. I did ended up copping these in a 10.5. I don't know what happened. I usually get a 10, but they sent me a 10.5, which is fine. It's cool though, because I can wear a 10.5. It's, you know, it's no problem, no biggie, no worries. I just usually get a 10 because I like my sneakers to fit real snug on my feet. So, you know, it's cool. I can rock 10.5s. But yeah, as you can see on the label, it says Air Jordan 3 Retro, Summit White, Fire Red, Black, and yeah, man, let's just open this box up and flip it to the boom. As you can see, we got the nice red look. Here we go, distorted look in here. As you can see, the nice distorted look inside of the box here. And we also got this nice elephant print tissue paper in the sneaker box as well. And now, guys, ladies and gentlemen, let's just jump into what we have right here, and that is the Jordan 3 Reimagined. The Jordan 3 White Cement. The free throws, whatever you want to call them, they are here. Alright, so just coming out the box, we're just gonna take these on out, and my God, man, I tell you what, man, it's like money. Alright, so what we got, and I'm sure you've seen it plenty of videos, it does have the actual pamphlet with it. It has a nice Jordan pamphlet, and it's just pretty much talking about what the materials, the sneakers was used, a nice little breakdown. And as you can see with this here, we got the nice little, it's like a distorted look as well, nice and distorted. So again, the whole distorted theme looks absolutely, I love it. Again, for the GS sizes, yeah, they didn't get that. They got a regular plain box, no pamphlet, no nothing. The wifey, she actually got a pair of these as well, and yeah, she's feeling some kind of way because she didn't come, it didn't come with all the great looks, as you can see with the actual box. But honey, I love you. It's okay. And it's okay. It's okay. But hopefully in the future, man, they can start, because a lot of grade school sneakers that been coming out hasn't been getting the features that an actual men's pair be getting. I feel it's kind of jacked up. It's kind of wrong. But I mean, hey, I'm just a person that do sneaker videos and love to wear sneakers. So yeah, enough of that. All right, as you can see, guys, it comes with the nice orange hang tag. Going back with the old school theme. If I'm not mistaken, it was 1988. I'm sorry, 1988. As you can remember, the famous free throw line jump, Jordan. Yeah, I mean, just do your history. If you're born in 2000, 95, things like that. I'm sorry. Okay, no, but yeah, definitely. I mean, it's just a nice texture with it. Now, what they have done was they do got the nice little sail, which is like a how can I say it? Pretty much like the Lost and Found was like a nice not a distorted, but like the I'm trying to find a word I'm looking for here. Like an older look with the nice sail going on the bottom panels of the sneaker here. As you can see, it's like the nice little cream sail look. It's pretty much that the way it looks like it's the old ways. I don't know if people like that. I do think it's actually amazing. I like it. I like it a lot. Now, as you can see, we do got these nice elephant print going, which is like a nice defined look. As you can see, it's going on the front of the toe box as well, on the heel of the back of the toe box as well. I mean, the heel of the sneaker as well. I do like this whole elephant print look. It's again nice. It's nice and elegant. This whole sneaker is just elegant, as a matter of fact. Here we got the nice black, as you see, going back on the actual heel as well. And also, as you see in the back on the bottom of the sneaker, we got that nice little all gray with the we got the all gray with the actual Nike, and that nice little sail look as well, which, like I say again, is that way of making it look like the old like it's just been old, type of vibe. I'm still trying to find the word I'm looking for, but yeah, here we have the nice perforated holes here going along the tongue. Also, we got it on the nice parts of the actual heels. Also here on the anklet of the actual sneaker here, we got the actual perforated holes right here. We do have the nice padded tongue, and the padded tongue is pretty. It feels pretty good. Nice, pretty pad to it. Also, we got like a nice little pad in the inside of the sneaker as well. And we do have the Nike Air Jordan in black right here, and I must say I'm just happy to be able to get this sneaker here. Again, like I said, this nice little, we got the nice little like I call it the fur, like the carpeted around the actual anklet of the sneaker. Now, I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know if it'll probably bleed off on it or not, but hopefully it doesn't, depending on jeans. But since it's about to get nice and warm for me where I'm at, yeah, man, we're gonna be pretty cool, because we can rock with some shorts and things like that. We do have the nice red Jumpman in the center stage of the actual tongue of the sneaker, and we do got Nike Air in the back that's in all black. Here on the eyelid, we do got some more of that red that just makes the sneaker even sexier. And I must say, this sneaker is just amazing, man. But yeah, man, I mean, long term coming, man. These sneakers was a very highly anticipated sneaker, and I mean, again, they're here now, and again, just to have a pair of these is just absolutely astonishing. Again, I mean, guys, top sneaker of the year, man. This here, I'm putting in the sneaker of the year vibe. I mean, like I said, you can put your own little your own little rating to it, but guys, I am going with the actual sneaker of the year, guys. I really am. I am. Again, this just that nice white elegant that's just around this whole sneaker. The nice the tumbleness on this actual sneaker here. This is it. This is it. This is greatness in hand right now. Greatness in hand. Wow. I don't know what to say, guys. Copy a pair if you hopefully you're able to hit. Again, if you can get it for resale, definitely get it for resale before the prices get too crazy, because you know I just got a feeling that these sneakers are gonna skyrocket, you know, in the resale world. But again, man, if you do hit, man, congrats. And again, if you don't hit, then definitely, if you can, pick them up. I think it's well worth getting. I do have the Jordan 3 elephant prints. Actually, it's above up there. But again, I'm just looking at the fact that the matter. This is a big year right now, and just to be in the early stages of the year, man, we have a lot of sneakers that just dropped, especially with the Jordan brand. I mean, as you can see, we had the actual UNC Jordan 5s that came out. I just did a video on that, so definitely check that out. And to just circle back around and now have these coming, these Jordan 3s. I mean, this is shaping up to be a big year, and I know I'm probably a little early saying the fact that I'm giving this the sneaker of the year already, but I'm passing it on to these right now because I am a big fan of these Jordan 3s. I like how they look. They just look so sexy, man. They're sexy in hand, sexy on feet. They feel good. They feel comfortable. I'm with it, man. I love it. I'm glad to be able to cop a pair again. And guys, wow, Jordan 3. Let me know in the comments what you rate these sneakers at right now. Also, let me know, man, if you definitely going for them. If you already had a pair, if you already hit and got a pair already, you know, on shock drops and things like that, man. Let me know in the comments. I truly like to hear from you guys. Again, just let me know what you think about the Jordan 3 Reimagined, aka the white cements. Let me know what you think about it. Is it one of your favorite sneakers? Is it not one of your favorite Jordans? Let me know, all right? Also, man, we are on Instagram now. We made a new channel, so definitely if you can, man, follow me on Instagram. Like I said, we're putting fits up on there as well. And also, just to let you know, man, I'm gonna try to start going live. I want to do it Monday through Thursday, 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. I want to. Keyword, I want to. I do have a 5-year and a 1-year-old, and I do have a beautiful wife that I do want to spend time with too as well. So I'm definitely looking to go live. And the reason why I'm telling you that, I do game as well as a hobby. But if you're looking to do some sneaker talking, man, jump into the chat, man. We can talk about sneakers while I'm gaming, things like that. It'll be fun, I'm telling you. But as far as that, man, here we go. We got the Jordan 3s here, Reimagined, aka white cement, free throw lines. They got a lot of different names on it, man. But again, I'm calling it sneaker of the year, and I'm sticking with it. And I must say, yeah, man. Again, y'all, I truly do appreciate all the love and all the support. It's been absolutely amazing, and yeah, man, that's all I got for you guys here. Get you a pair, man. Love and blessings. Peace.